In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs numbered list. This is a very handy feature whether you're drafting a document, creating a presentation, or organizing your thoughts in a structured format. Let's dive in and make your Google Docs experience smoother and more efficient. First things first, you'll need to access your Google Drive account. Head over to Google Drive by going to drive.google.com and sign in with your Google account. If you're already logged into another Google service, you might be automatically logged in, which is a nice little shortcut. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted with the main interface of Google Drive, which houses all your files and documents. For our purposes today, you'll want to locate the presentation in which you wish to add a numbered list. This could be a new presentation you've just started or an existing one you're looking to edit. After finding your presentation, give it a click to open it up. You'll now be inside Google Slides, where all the magic happens. Navigate through your slides until you find the text area where you want to add your numbered list. Click on that text area to make sure it's active and ready for editing. Now for the fun part, adding a numbered list. Take a look at the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a list with numbers beside it. Go ahead and click on that number list icon. Instantly your text will transform into a neatly organized numbered list. It's as simple as that. But wait, there's more. If you're looking to add a little complexity to your list or want to break things down even further, Google Docs has got your back. By pressing the Tab key on your keyboard, you can create a sublist within your numbered list, but this time with letters instead of numbers. This is perfect for when you have related items or subtopics you want to list without starting a whole new number sequence. And there you have it. You now know how to use the numbered list feature in Google Docs to make your documents and presentations clearer and more organized. Remember, presenting information in a structured way can greatly enhance the readability and professionalism of your work. So go ahead and give it a try in your next document or presentation. Stick around for more tips and tricks to get the most out of Google Docs and other Google services. Happy numbering,